Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video topic is if your internet is working fine on other devices but slow on your Windows 11 laptop or PC, this video is for you. The first method you can try is restart your Wi-Fi router and check. In the second method, we are going to restart a network adapter. For this, you have to press Window key and R button together to open run command. After that, you have to type this command. Okay, type this command carefully, then click on OK. So these are the network adapters. This is for Ethernet and this is for Wi-Fi. So if you want to restart your Wi-Fi adapter, just right click on it, then click on disable. After that, wait for 5 seconds, then again enable this Wi-Fi adapter. So right click on it and then click on enable. That's it. Cut this window and check. In the next method, we are going to close background apps. For this, you have to first open control panel. So on your keyboard, you have to press control key, shift key and skip key. Press all the three keys together to open task manager like this. And here you will see this network column. Now you have to look for apps using high network uses. If you want to close any app which is using high network uses, for this you have to right click on the app and then click on end task. Okay, that's it. Cut this window and check. If you are still getting the same issue, move on to the next method. Open command prompt. For this you have to click on this search box and then type CMD. After that you will get this kind of option, command prompt. Right click on it, then click on run as administrator. Click on it. In this command prompt, you have to type a command. Type this command carefully, then press enter. After completing this command, cut this window and now check. If you are still getting the same issue, in the next method, we are going to update network drivers. For this, you have to right click on this Windows icon, then click on this option device manager, click on it. Now click on this option network adapters, expand this option. So this is my Wi-Fi driver. So right click on it, then click on update driver, click on it. Then click on this option search automatically, click on it. So this will update your network driver. Click on close. That's it. Cut this window. After that, restart your system and check. The next method you can try is reset network settings. For this, you have to right click on this Windows icon, then click on this option settings, click on it. On the left side, click on this option network and internet, click on it. On the right side, you will see this option advanced network settings, click on it. Now scroll down and this is the option we need, network reset, click on it. Now here you have to click on this option reset now. So this will reset your network settings only. So click on reset now and your laptop will restart automatically. So these are the few methods you can try. This is all for the video. Thank you.